Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be getting this nursery renovation all finished and furnished. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see the full reveal. The first job on the list was varnishing the radiator cover. This was just painted with the same emulsion as the walls, so it needed protecting from getting marked. We got an Ikea Poang chair to go in the corner of the room. We chose the black frame to match the room, and we went for a bright yellow for the cushion. We didn't massively like this when we looked online, and we were probably going to get a different colour. Emma went to Ikea without me, and when she saw it in person she really liked it. So I trusted her and we got that one. And I have to say, I also really like it. Next up was to fit a new blind. We had a blind in here already, but it didn't match the new colour scheme, so we replaced this for a black one. I cut it down to size on the miter saw, and then I just cleaned up the edges of the fabric with fabric scissors, and then fitted in place. I've never actually fitted one of these blind cord clips, but with this being a nursery and the fact that the window is very low in here, I thought it was best to fit this for once. I've fitted the blind to the window, but to add a little bit more warmth and to fully black this out, I'm also going to add some curtains. So I just got these curtains off of Amazon, and they might need shortened. No, they won't. They'll be sound. So yeah, throughout the house we've got a bit of an industrial sort of theme going on, and we've used loads of these industrial pipe fittings. So the bathroom, we've got all of the pipe fittings, and the downstairs curtains, they're all these pipe fittings. Now I found these adjustable ones, which are quite handy because the span that we needed was a bit of a random size. So I managed to find these that are adjustable, which is obviously handy because I think this span is about 1.10 m, and normally the fixed bars come in sort of 1 meter strips, or 120, and 120 would have taken us out too wide and it would have clashed with the radiator cover. So I've got this adjustable one, which is handy. So I'll get this fitted, and this should be nice and easy. It just comes with a fitting kit somewhere. I think I put it in my pocket. No, I didn't. There we go. It's just wall plugs and screws. It's nice and easy. So all I'm doing is just unscrewing one of the ends. And then I'm going to thread the curtain on. And then I'm just going to hold it up for the height. Which will go about there. going to have that fairly close to the wall. Then I'm just going to drill these holes out. And just put the plugs in the wall. Then just put the screws in. Nice and easy. Then I'll just attach the second curtain, thread that through. Screw that bar back on. Screw this end bar back on. Then just with a level, I can then mark up these holes to cut. And by cut I definitely mean drill. And I've just realised I've put that curtain on back to front, so now I have to unscrew this. Thankfully with these ones though, you can just unscrew it rather than taking everything off the wall. And we are done. With the curtains all done, I attached the radiator cover to the wall. I added 2 angle brackets to the wall using hammer fixings and then screwed this onto the side of the cover. The original cleat system that it was hung on wasn't really the strongest, and I didn't really fancy this being pulled off the wall when she's a toddler. All that was really left to do was just to add some artwork to the walls. We also have an unintentional elephant theme going on in here because we've been bought a few elephant bits, so I decided to get an elephant neon sign to go on the wall. And with that, we are done. Right, if you'd like to come and cut the ribbon.
Cut the ribbon? Do you want me to do it again? I can go in your outtakes.
I can't find a bit of ribbon long enough.
Okay. Just got left-handed. Right.
Use your right hand.
Hey!
As always, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.